Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at how to move or copy files on and off a 360 Systems DigiCart5 Model DC5000. Some of this information assumes that the networking has already been set up and is functioning. If you require more information about network setup, please refer to the network setup instructional video. Before we begin, please make sure that the files being used match the system requirements. Files used on the system must be either WAV at 44.1 or 48K and with a bit rate of 16 or 24. The system will also accept MP3 files at 44.1 or 48K up to 320 kilobits per second. The easiest way to transfer files on and off the system is by having the files on a USB key. Note that the USB key must be formatted in FAT or FAT32. You can use any free USB port on the front or rear of the system. For this example, we will insert the USB key into one of the front USB ports. From the home screen, go to the main menu and then to the File Manager. In the File Manager, click the back arrow until you reach the main directory and enter the external folder. The external folder will list any attached USB keys. As a reminder, USB keys must be formatted in FAT or FAT32 and should only contain valid audio files. Navigate into the USB key and select the files you wish to transfer to the internal memory by checking the boxes next to them. You can also select folders in order to transfer the folder and the contents of that folder at the same time. Once the files are selected, click the Copy Move button. The button will light up green and the checkboxes will disappear. Next, you will want to navigate to the destination, which will typically be the internal drive, but could be any other location. If you need to create a folder to place the files, click the Create Folder button, enter the name for the folder, and then navigate into the new folder. We want to emphasize that you want to avoid transferring folders that have other files in them. Files that are not WAV or MP3 will transfer during this process, but will not show up in the File Manager. The extra files will just end up taking up space on the unit, and the system will need to be connected to a network in order to use FTP or SMB to view and remove the extra files. Finally, click the Copy Move button again and select to copy or move the files. As a reminder, copy will duplicate the files into the new directory, while move will copy the files into the new directory and then delete them from the original location. Using this same method, you can create additional folders and move files around on the system in order to organize them to suit your needs. If you previously mapped a network share on the system, you can use this same methodology to copy or move files from your NAS drive or shared folder into the internal storage. To rename a clip, simply select the clip by clicking on it so that it is highlighted, and click the Rename button. In the Rename dialog, type or edit the name. There is no need to add the file extension, as this is done automatically. If you need to create folders, navigate to where you want the folder to be, click the Create Folder, and then enter the name of the new folder. Finally, if you need to remove files from the system, select the file or files that you wish to remove by using the checkboxes, and then click the Delete button. Most of the file management discussed here can also be accomplished over the network using FTP or file sharing. That concludes the basic overview of file management on the DigiCart5. Check out the other videos in this series for more information on specific operations. Thanks for watching.